Hi, good morning guys. I'm back again. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Kung kayo mga nanonood sa akin, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Good morning, my ever supporters. Thank you for watching my reels. Now I'm back again. Now I'm preparing. I'm doing my face workout. Yan. Then, I'll be going to today is the final day for uh, for filing my COC. So I'm preparing now. I'm preparing now for uh, to file my candidacy. I'm now running for the best, the best, the best. What do you call the best Lola ever? Yeah, prank lang yun. I'm not going to file any candidates, but although some are saying that I'm winnable, but I can't already uh, be in politics. I've already worked with the government for 39 years. So, ayos na yun ng community service ko. Pwede na yun. I'm just joking everyone. Baka naman kayo maniwala dito sa aking video ngayon. I'm just uh, being happy with funny videos. So bye-bye.